Welcome to our incredible Magic Hands Laboratory. I'm your guide through amazing educational adventures where learning feels like magic. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of color magic and primary colors. In our Color Magic Laboratory, we discover that all rainbow colors begin with three magical foundations: red, blue, and yellow. Our primary colors. These colors are the building blocks of every color we see. Watch our Magic Hands technique as we sort colors by families, exploring color theory and visual perception through interactive learning. Red, blue, yellow. Do you know what secondary color mixing red and yellow makes? That's right, orange. What secondary color does mixing red and blue make? Purple! Now let's mix yellow and blue. What color do you think that would make? Green! Very good! Notice how we're training our brains for color classification and color recognition, essential skills that connect to reading, mathematics, and scientific thinking. Each primary color has unique properties. Red is warm and energetic. Yellow is bright and cheerful. Blue is cool and calming. Now let's explore using paints. Red, blue, and yellow. This is real color science and art education. Color scientists, are you loving this color magic? Hit that like button if you're amazed by colors. Tell me in the comments which color family is your favorite. And don't forget to share this laboratory adventure with friends and family. Now let's explore how these primary colors combine to create the entire rainbow spectrum. This is real color science and art education in action. When yellow and blue meet, they form green. When red and blue combine, they create purple. Each color combination follows scientific rules and color theory principles that artists and scientists use every day. You're learning the same color science that creates beautiful paintings, amazing photographs, and even colors on your computer screen. And red plus yellow makes brilliant orange. This color magic teaches us about light, science, and the incredible world of visual perception that helps us understand and appreciate the colorful world around us.